Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to analyze the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is on the Monday trading session. Before moving forward, let's see what's our view in the last week and what actually happened. This is the Nifty last week's analysis. What is our view? Our view is if index sustains above this level, the market will move up. If index breaks this level, then market will move down. Let's see what actually happened. You can see it here. Index traded below this level, that is index breaks this support, and it has given a straight fall of almost 400 points. It has hit our both the target, that is this is the first target and this is the second target. Let's start with Nifty first. We are using Nifty chart here, that is a daily time frame. This level, that is 17,300, has been important support for Nifty in the previous weeks. What happened in the last week? Nifty has broken this level and it has given a straight fall of almost 500 points from 17,300 to 16,850. That is, index has made a low of 16,850 in the last week. And from 16,850, it has given a pullback of almost till 17,150. That is, almost it has given a pullback of 300 points. What may happen in this week? Index may retest this level. That is, this has been support previously. The same level, that is the 17,300 level, will now act as resistance for Nifty in the coming week. Index may test this level and it may reverse from this level. If index tests this 17,300 level and reverses from this level, then our downside targets will be 17,200 will be our first target, and this 16,850 will be our second target, that is the previous low. Let's assume that if index enter into this range again, and again index will move in zigzag streaks, that is index will be in range in these levels, that is between 17,300 to what is this level, 17,700 levels. But the high probability trade will be when index tests this resistance area and reverses from this resistance area. This will be the high probability trade. And suppose if index breaks this previous low, that is 16,850, then our downside targets will be 16,700 and the second target will be 16,580. Now let's see the Bank Nifty chart. Here I am using the daily time frame for the Bank Nifty chart. In Bank Nifty also it is the same case. This level, that is near 39,900 to 40,000. This has been an important support previously. Last week index has broken this important support and it has given a pullback. Now it is testing this resistance area. It has been support previously. Now this same support will become resistance for this Bank Nifty also. That is, this is 39,900 level. What may happen in the coming week? Index may retest this level and again reverse from this level. If index reverses from this level, then our first target will be the same level, 38,613, and the second target will be somewhere around 37,800, and our third target will be 37,080. If index breaks this, starts to trade above this level, 39,914, let's take it as 40,150. If index moves above, that is trades above, sustains above 40,150, then we may see more upside, and our targets on the upside will be 40,800 will be our first target, and our second target will be 41,500.